I'm going to break down some of the most fascinating Bible stories in a way that makes them relatable and easy to understand, so you can see them in a whole new light. Today, we're going to embark on a journey that will change the way you think about Bible stories. We're going to explore these timeless tales in a fresh and engaging way, uncovering their relevance and lessons that still resonate with us today. One of the biggest misconceptions about Bible stories is that they're outdated and irrelevant. Many people think they're just old-fashioned tales that don't apply to modern life. But I want to challenge that notion. These stories have been passed down for centuries because they contain powerful lessons and themes that are still incredibly relevant today. Another challenge people face when it comes to understanding Bible stories is that they can be difficult to relate to. The language and cultural context can be unfamiliar, making it hard to connect with the characters and their struggles. But what if we could break down these stories into relatable themes and lessons that resonate with our modern experiences? Sometimes, people get bogged down in the details of a story, trying to understand the historical context or the specific rules and regulations mentioned. But what if we could strip away all the complexities and get to the heart of what these stories are really about? What if we could uncover the underlying messages and themes that can inspire personal growth and change? Let's take a deeper look at some of these incredible stories. Let's start with the story of David and Goliath. On the surface, it's a classic tale of good versus evil, but what if we could dig deeper? What if we could explore the themes of courage, faith, and perseverance that make this story so powerful? This story isn't just about a giant and a shepherd boy, it's about the human struggle to overcome obstacles and trust in something greater than ourselves. Another story that resonates with modern audiences is the parable of the prodigal son. This story is often seen as a classic tale of redemption, but what if we could unpack the themes of forgiveness, love, and compassion that make it so relatable? This story isn't just about a wayward son, it's about the human capacity for forgiveness and the unconditional love of a parent. One of the most surprising insights from exploring these Bible stories is how they can inspire personal growth and change. Take the story of Joseph, for example. On the surface, it's a tale of betrayal, slavery, and forgiveness, but what if we could uncover the themes of resilience, trust, and humility that make it so impactful? This story isn't just about an ancient Egyptian prince, it's about the human capacity to overcome adversity and thrive in the face of uncertainty. As we delve deeper into these stories, we start to see patterns and themes that resonate with our own experiences. We start to see that these stories aren't just ancient tales, they're reflections of our own hopes, fears, and struggles. They're reminders that we're not alone in our journeys, that others have faced similar challenges and overcome them. One of the most impactful insights from exploring these Bible stories is the realization that they're not just about ancient events, they're about the human experience. They're about the struggles, triumphs, and setbacks that we all face. They're about the human capacity for love, forgiveness, and compassion. In conclusion, let's recap the main points we've made about these Bible stories and their relevance to our lives today. We've seen how they can be broken down into relatable themes and lessons that resonate with modern audiences. We've explored the ways in which they can inspire personal growth and change. And we've uncovered the surprising insights that make these stories so impactful. If you've got a favorite Bible story or one that has resonated with you, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos that explore the timeless wisdom of these incredible stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.